Roghani Keema Naan. You can enjoy this delicious naan anytime in breakfast, lunch, or dinner. In this video, you will learn how to make this spicy delicious naan at home in the oven or on stove top without having clay tandoor. And of course, you can always adjust the spices according to your preference. Let's make it. Bismillah. Ingredients for making dough: 3 cups of bread flour, 1 teaspoon yeast, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ tablespoon honey or sugar, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 cup of water or as needed. Combine all together. Knead it very well. You can always knead the dough with hands. Knead until smooth. Cover and let it sit for at least 2 hours or until doubled. While dough is resting, make keema filling. 2 cups of ground beef. You can use goat or lamb meat. 2 tablespoons minced garlic. Handful of chopped cilantro. Few chopped green chilies. 1 medium-sized chopped onion. 1 tablespoon crushed coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon crushed cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon sumac or katai powder or mango powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/8 teaspoon black seeds. 1/8 teaspoon ajwain seeds. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon crushed black peppers. 1 tablespoon dry fenugreek leaves, optional. Mix well and set aside. Once dough gets doubled, punch it down. Knead and make 4 to 6 portions. Dust the dough ball with flour. Roll it with rolling pin. Add filling. Pinch it together. Dust it with flour. And roll it into flat disc. Brush it with milk or yogurt or egg wash. Carefully add it to baking sheet. Sprinkle sesame seeds, optional. You can also sprinkle minced garlic, cilantro, or kalonji seeds. Continue making more naan. Preheat the oven to max setting, between 500 to 550 Fahrenheit. If your oven does not heat up 500 or above Fahrenheit, then you can cook on stovetop. Bake for 7 to 10 minutes or until turn golden. Brush it with ghee or melted butter. This is how you can make it on stovetop. On heated griddle, add naan. Cook on a medium heat until bottom turned brown. You can flip and cook other side on stove or cook in the oven on broil setting until turn brown. Brush with ghee. Serve hot with raita, yogurt dip, or chutney. Enjoy! If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share and comment below. And subscribe for upcoming videos. Note down the ingredients. Thanks for watching.